Alright, so this is problem 1 for the extra credit of exam number 2, and it is question number 20 from the exam 2. And it reads as follows. What is the equilibrium expression for carbon solid plus oxygen gas, which equals carbon dioxide gas? And to write the equilibrium expression, so Kc in this case, because not all of them are gases, it's going to be the concentration, let's write quickly, the concentration of our products over the concentration of our reactants. However, the things that will not include in there are, for example, our solids or our liquids, and this is because our solids and our liquids do not affect the reactant amount at the equilibrium in a reaction, so that's why we exclude them. So we just do our products, and here project is carbon dioxide, and we see that it's a gas, it's not a liquid or a solid, so we don't have to disregard it. And then over our reactants, and here we have oxygen on our reactant side, and it's also a gas, so we don't have to disregard it either. And this is CO2 over O2, so our answer is B. Thank you.